Oops, hit the window. Beautiful, beautiful snow. And all the birds are hungry. Oops. There are probably at least 25 to 30 cardinals out there right now. I don't know if you can see the scope of it, but when I zoom in, you can start seeing them. Especially if you look in the background. I don't know if it's, yeah, you kind of see in the back there's some. And then there's some up higher, up here. Lots and lots of cardinals and other birds. I don't know how many different varieties, probably good dozen or so. And there's a lot down below the feeder with the squirrels. Some young males in there, which you can tell by the color of their beaks and their plumage. Let's see, we'll do one. Oh, there's quite a few in the over here right now. Look at this. There you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, they keep moving. It's hard to count. Doesn't get much prettier than that.